Welcome, Sexy Lexy babes. Today we will be making a light bubblegum pink colored lip gloss, and as you can see, I am cleaning my area with a disinfectant wipe because cleanliness is close to godliness, as I always say. Go ahead and jump right into this video. Right now I'm trying to find the ratio of pink to white that I want for this gloss, so that is what you see me doing right now. This color wasn't the pink that I was going for, so I added one more drop of white because I wanted it to be lighter than this, because this looks a little purplish to me. Gonna add some pink pigment powder. I know you're looking at this like, well, I should really add one drop, but a little goes a long way, so that's why I only added just that little bit. So now it's time to start prepping the lip gloss. So here you see me adding my lip gloss base to this plastic bowl. I use a plastic bowl just because it's easier when you're done, so you can just throw it away instead of keep washing the same bowl. It's just easier this way, but if you want, you can use a plastic bowl. It's up to you. Now I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is great for the lips, it's great for moisturization, and it's just perfect for lip gloss all around. So now we're going to add that pink to white ratio that we practiced with in the plastic bowl to get the perfect color. I'm now going to add that to my lip gloss base. So here is where I made a mistake. You want to add any pigment powder, mica powders, any of those into your oil first, and then add that to your lip gloss base, just so that when you add it in there, if you add it separately, it's clumpy, but if you add it in the oil, it blends better in the mixture. So when you do this, make sure that you add the powder and the oil together instead of mixing the powder in the lip gloss base first. So now I'm going to add my cheesecake flavoring oil to the base. This is from Get Sucker and it smells absolutely delicious. So this is the scoop on how I make my wand tubes nice and glittery. This is just what I do to my wand tubes. It helps make the gloss look even prettier and it helps you sell them more. So this is a secret that I do. So just watch. Going to add these beautiful pink butterflies to the lip gloss. Everybody loves butterfly gloss. It's absolutely perfect. I'm going to link in the description where exactly I got these from. So to me, I wanted to add more butterflies because it wasn't really as noticeable. So I just added more. So that's why you see me adding more butterflies. now it's time to start filling our lip gloss tubes. So as you can see here, I am filling my syringe with the lip gloss base, and we're gonna get ready to start filling these tubes. So when you are filling your lip gloss tubes, you want to make sure you push your lip gloss base into the tube slowly, because if not, it could cause more bubbles than normal. And you want to also make sure that the gloss reaches both corners of the tube. So here is how my wand tubes look with the extra glitter. It's absolutely beautiful and I love it. After the drying process and adding labels, this is the beautiful outcome of my lip gloss. I named it Pink Paradise. Be sure to check it out at www.sexylexyinc.com. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to subscribe.